Hello beautiful. So today I've created this look using products from just one brand, which is Sugar Pop. So let's see what we have inside this box and let's create this gorgeous look in just 5 to 6 minutes. If you get late like me, this video is for you to watch. Let's get into the video. So very first I am using their moisturizer and it smells amazing. It is in gel consistency. I will be using a generous amount of this moisturizer on my face and will be doing really quick because I have to get ready in 5 minutes. So just moisturizing my face really nicely. I'm using their SPF 30 BB cream, which is again really good. I am in the shade buff, and all the products from this Sugar Pop is really affordable. I will say if you are looking for dupes for sugar, go for Sugar Pop. It is their own brand but with quite affordable products. So I will be quickly applying this on my face and using my fingers again to blend it out evenly. So let's see how it goes. In one solution, if you get really late while getting ready, you can do this. I am using their Sugar Pop Long Wear Compact Powder to set my face, setting my under eyes. My nose and around my mouth. I am not using it on my cheeks because abhi I have to apply the blush. Otherwise blush blend karna thoda difficult ho jayega. And for the blush I am using their liquid lipstick, which is Top. It is a really beautiful shade and the packaging is so beautiful, very girly, very beautiful, and the shade again is very beautiful. So I will be applying it directly on my cheeks like this and blending it out with the beauty blender again. It is blending out really nicely. It is looking so fresh, so beautiful. It will look super gorgeous on lips as well. And I am using this lipstick, which is in the shade Caramel Custard. It is a matte mousse formula. Again, the packaging is so beautiful and every product is so affordable. If you're looking for good products in affordable rates, then do check out their page. I am quickly using it like this and blending it out with my finger because I'm getting ready in 5 minutes, right? I am setting my face again. So जहाँ पर मैंने ब्लश नहीं लगाया था उसके अराउंड, सो मैं आप अपने चीक एरिया को भी सेट कर लेती हूँ so that कि वो crease ना हो. Then I will be using this eye pencil, kajal pencil, on my eyes. So I will be doing a smoky liner, I would say, because that is the thing which I can do in like 30 seconds. So let's do it. I will be drawing a liner very close to my waterline. कुछ इतना प्रिसाइज नहीं चाहिए. अगर रफ भी बनता है तो भी ओके है बिकॉज हमको उसको फिंगर की हेल्प से ब्लेंड ही करना है. सो वेरी लाइटली आई एम ब्लेंडिंग इट आउट. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं लेके जाऊँगी, अदरवाइज़ वो स्मोकी आई बन जाएगी अगर मैं इसको ज़्यादा ऊपर ले जाऊँगी. सो यू कैन सी मैंने बहुत नीचे ही रखा हुआ है एंड ऑन द अदर साइड एज वेल. नाउ नेक्स्ट आई विल बी यूजिंग देयर mascara for my eyes, and I really like big volume mascara. So let's see how it works. The wand is really nice, you can see. Let's see how it performs on my eyes. I am done with my makeup. I really hope you like this video and this easy peasy look. To watch more videos, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram where I daily post content related to makeup, and do try them out. These are really nice, super affordable products. I really like them. Let's see you in next video.
Good morning से स्टाइलिंग में, ड्राइविंग में, टॉपिंग में, विनिंग में, शॉपिंग में, पोजिंग में, डेटिंग में, रोने में, हंसने में, शेयरिंग में, लविंग में, इवन गुड नाइट में। जिनके हाथ करते हैं लाइफ के हर मोमेंट में पॉप, उनके लिए शुगर पॉप, बी अ पॉप स्टार।